Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle boredom head on. Whether you're stuck at home, waiting for something, or just looking for something new to explore, I've got you covered. Here are the top 5 websites that you should visit when you're bored. Let's jump right in. From interactive art projects to brain teasing games, these websites will keep you entertained for hours. So grab a snack, sit back, and get ready to discover some internet gems. Kicking off our list is the useless web. This site is perfect when you are in the mood for something random and unexpected. Simply click on the big button and the useless web will take you completely to a random website. You never know what you'll get. It could be anything from a fun little game to a bizarre internet oddity. One minute you might find yourself popping virtual bubble wrap, and the next you're watching a never-ending stream of a cute kitten pictures. It's perfect for way to pass the time and discover the weird and wonderful corners of the internet. Just keep clicking and let the surprises keep coming. At number 4, we have Board Panda. If you love scrolling through interesting stories, funny pictures, and amazing art, this site is for you. Board Panda is a treasure trove of user-submitted content that ranges from heartwarming and inspirational to downright hilarious. It's updated frequently, so there's always something new to you. You can find funny animal photos, incredible DIY projects, and heartwarming stories that are sure to brighten your day. It's the perfect place to get lost in a rabbit hole of engaging content. And who knows, you might even find some inspiration for your own creative projects. Coming in at number 3 is GeoGuessr. This addictive game drops when you are somewhere in the world on Google Street View, and your task is to figure out where you are. You can explore the area, look for clues, and then make your guess on the map. It's a fantastic way to test your geography skills and virtually travel the world. You might find yourself in a bustling city one moment and a remote village the next. GeoGuessr offers various modes, including famous places, specific countries, or even custom maps created by other players. Plus, you can challenge your friends to see who has the best global knowledge to take daily challenges to keep things exciting. It's a fun and educational way to pass the time, and you'll be amazed at how much you learn about the world around you. Number 2 on our list is Reddit. Dubbed the front page of the internet, Reddit is a massive collection of forums where people share news, content, and comment on just about anything you can think of. From funny memes and videos to serious discussions and niche communities, there's something for everyone. What a good talk! Check out the funny videos. Looking for amazing facts and discoveries? Head over today and learn. Need some heartwarming content? Reddit is filled with adorable animal pictures and stories. If you're bored, just dive into subreddit that interests you and start exploring. The community driven content means you'll always find something new and engaging. Plus, Reddit's voting system helps the best content rise to the top, so you are guaranteed to find a high quality post. And finally, our top pick for the best website to visit when you're bored is Instructables. This site is a DIY enthusiast paradise packed with user created guides and projects for everything from home improvement and crafts to cooking and electronics. Whether you want to learn a new skill, find a fun weekend project, or just get inspired by other people's creativity, Instructables is the place to go. You can find step by step guides from making homemade drones, custom furniture, unique art projects, and so much more. The best part, you can contribute your own projects and become part of the community. Share your ideas, get feedback, and inspire others with your creativity. It's a wonderful way to spend your time productively and maybe even pick up a new hobby. There's there's everything for everyone here. There you have it, folks. The top 5 websites to visit when you're bored. Each of these sites offers something unique and fun. So, next time you find yourself with some free time, give them a try. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.